Hello traders, today is the 31st of July 2011 and happy weekend to you all. Okay, we are looking at the yearly chart of the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, and we're going to locate the critical price level, okay, and paying attention to the smart media line. Okay, for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS08 traders, okay, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. okay. For every trade, we must use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. Very important, okay? This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It's primarily for the TSTWSYS08 traders, okay? The critical price levels for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, the CPL number 1, the critical price level number 1 is at 8986. The next critical price level for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, CPL2, is at 10255. The third critical price level for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, the CPL number 3, critical price level number 3, is at 8066. The fourth critical price level for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair is at 10232. 10232. The fifth critical price level for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, okay, the CPL, okay, number 5 is at 10200. My apology. The CPL number 5 for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair is at 10200. That's correct, 10200. Okay. The last and the fifth critical price level for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, the critical price level number 6, because we have 6 critical price level in total. The last critical price level for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair is the smart media line. The smart media line is the most important critical price level. When the price is above the smart media line, the market is generally speaking, in theory, bullish. If it's below the smart media line, generally speaking, is bullish, is bearish. Okay, when it's below the smart media line, generally speaking, below the smart media line is bearish. Okay, bearish, not bullish. Okay, so the smart media line, the 6th critical price level for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, the smart media line, okay, SML, okay, for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. If I check my notes here, the critical price level is at hold on a second as I'm trying to see, check my documents here. It's at 84581. 84581. This is where I place my cursor on this horizontal line here. This is the smart media line for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. We have just posted a video on YouTube regarding mastering the butterfly pattern. This is mainly, okay, on the subject of on the currency pair, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Okay, the smart media line or the critical price level are the creation of the stochastic-macd.com smart media line. Okay, now what's this video? The title of this video is about dynamic smart media line. What is a dynamic smart media line? Okay, we have a static smart media line and a dynamic smart media line. There are some situations which we have here, okay, because the way we calculate the smart media line, we will use the smart high, which is the high of the range of 5 years candle. Okay, the high of the range of 5 years candle. Each candle here represents a yearly candle. So now this candle here is not yet completed because it's the 2011. So the price may continue to go up if it's going up, or may go down if it's going down. So this can allow us to have a smart media line. In this case, because the price is at the high of this yearly candle, but the candle is not yet completed, because this candle will be completed on the 31st of December 2011. The way we calculate the smart media line is the high of the range of 5 years candle, okay, minus the low of the range of 5 years candle divided by 2 plus the low of the range of the 5 years candle. So we'll use the current high of this candle, okay, minus the low here. This low here is static, it's not dynamic, it's not going to change anymore, but this high here can change if the price continue to go up. So if the price continue to go up, we will have, instead of having a static smart media line, we will have instead a dynamic smart media line, which means the smart media line will keep changing, which means the price is giving us a new smart media line as the price is progressing to the upside, because of the calculation of the smart media line, as I've already explained to you. So in this case of the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, if this currency pair goes above the high that we have now, the high that we have on this candle now is at 11080. If it goes above that level, we have to recalculate our new smart media line. So we are having different media line as different smart media line as the price is progressing to the upside, because the calculation of the smart media line is changing as the high and the low of the range of the 5 years candle is changing. In this case, we are approaching a high of the range of this 5 years candle. If the price crosses above the current high, well, at 11080, and continue the movement to the upside, we will continue to recalculate our smart media line. In this case, we will talk about a dynamic smart media line, because our smart media line is changing as the price is progressing to the upside. On the other hand, if the price was at this level here, at the lowest point of the range, and continue to go down, the lowest point of the range of the 5 years candle will continue to change, giving us also what we call a dynamic smart media line. We have in total 6 critical price level, and the smart media line is one of those 6 critical price level. But a smart media line is also a critical price level, but is the most important critical price level. As the price progressing to the upside and the high of the range of the 5 years candle is changing, the smart media line becomes a dynamic smart media line. On the other hand, if the price was on the lowest point of the range of the 5 candle and creating a new lower low for this range, okay, we will have also a dynamic smart media line. This is just a quick video regarding the dynamic smart media line, that you will understand what we are talking about here and put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. The dynamic smart media line and the smart media line are the creation of the stochastic marketing.com. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW SYS 08 traders.